Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a hard gel set. I've already got my tips applied and my nails prepped. So first I'm going to start off with some base coat. I'm going to apply a nice layer of base coat on all of my nails, and then I'm going to cure in the lamp for about 45 seconds. I'm using the LGNPro hard gel, and first I'm going to go in with a layer of clear and placing this on my nail. I'm not going to be curing it just yet. I'm going to do like a Peekaboo glitter look. So I'm going to apply some of these glitters you see over here, and I just want to place at the nail bed and kind of fade it up a little bit. I don't want to go too far down the middle of the nail. I just want them to peek through the very bottom. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to cure it in the lamp for about 30 to 45 seconds. Now I'm going to go in with this beautiful dusty rose pink color. This is the perfect pinky nude. It is so pretty. I'm going to place that at the cuticle area and work it down the nail. I really wanted to fade this into like a clear tip. I am working on my dominant hand, so this was very challenging, and really the only way you're going to get better is if you just keep practicing with it. So yeah, it just didn't feel right working with this hand. It's so awkward, but I got through it. I do repeat this on all of my nails, well, my middle finger and my pinky and my thumb. I decided to do a little something extra on my ring finger, so I added a few more glitters up at the tip of the nail and a few more at the base of the nail. And I'm going to take this little flamingo sequin and I'm going to place that right in the center and just kind of fill in the holes with some more little glitter pieces. I'm going up north this weekend, and they have like this thing called the Cheeseburger Festival there, and everything is like flamingos. It's pink and blue and cheeseburgers and Jimmy Buffett. So I really wanted to kind of just do something kind of cute for that. So now I'm going to encapsulate that after I've cured all the pieces on. This was a little bit of a thick encapsulation. I couldn't get the little sequin to lay flat, so I had to add extra clear on these. Here's how they're looking after everything has been applied, and now I'm going to take some rubbing alcohol and just clean up that sticky layer. When I file, I have to use a hand file. I just feel like I have more control when I'm using my non-dominant hand for that. So here's how they're looking after everything's been filed, shaped, and buffed. Now I do see I had some little holes in there and it's now noticeable to me. So I'm going to have to add a little something extra to like cover that up because I could still see it after I add a top coat. I was just going to leave it here. But for my glitter nail, I just wanted to top coat that one because I knew it was going to add anything else to that one. So I'm going to take some top coat and apply that on the other nails. And I'm going to do like a little marble design. I'm going to use like a pink and a blue and place it at the tip like these little dots. And then I'm just going to take my brush and swirl them together so it marbles. Then I'm going to add a little bit of foil and that's just going to make it look a little more bright and more fun. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to go do the same process on my middle finger, my pinky, and also my thumb. I go through now and add some top coat generously. I'm going to cure that in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. Always add cuticle oil after you've been working on your nails. And here's the finished design. I really love the colors together. I think they're so pretty and perfect for the Cheeseburger Festival. Let me know down below if you've ever been to the Cheeseburger Festival in Caseville or if you live in Michigan, because it's usually pretty fun. I always like the music and the fun stuff that they do there. But yeah, here's the design. I really appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!